Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to create average annual rainfall map. So in my very two previous videos we learned how to create annual rainfall maps, so different years. Have you seen it? So this is it. You can see that this is the rainfall of the districts 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Have you seen that? Yes. But there are a lot of instances where you would want to just combine all of them and come up with one map. For example, I want to do flood risk assessment map of this particular district. I can't use 1 year a rainfall data for 1 year of the area to create this map. It wouldn't be an informed data. I need at least 5 years to get a quality and informed data to come up with the flood risk analysis over the years. What has been the rainfall pattern? I combined all of them to come up with this particular flood risk analysis map. There are also so many instances where you would need to create this particular map. So average rainfall map of the Tafo municipality of the Ashanti region of Ghana. So in the previous videos, if you watched, I first defined the coordinate system of these areas. Yes, and if you want to learn how to download rainfall data, you can watch this particular video. That video will teach you how you can download rainfall data. Normally, after you are done downloading the data, they don't have a coordinate system, so you have to define the coordinate system. In the two previous videos, because I used this, I have already defined the coordinate system. Do you get it? You just right click, you go to properties, then you define the coordinate system. Have you seen that? Yes. So you drag them. So this particular coordinate system is at UTM zone 30. So let me change it to this. Have you seen that? Then I drag 2020, 2021. No, I think I am working with different one. So this is the data I'm talking about. Yes, so 2020, I have already defined them. So I'll just drag them. 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. Have you seen that? So when you drag them, the district boundary is also here. Do you get it? So how do we combine them? You go to the ArcToolbox. When you go to the ArcToolbox, then you go to the Spatial Analysis tool. Then you go to Map Algebra Raster Calculator is here. So you open a bracket. So 2020 rainfall data plus 2021 rainfall data plus 2022 rainfall data plus 2023 rainfall data plus 2024 rainfall data divided by the number of years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. You specify where you want it to be saved. So you come here. Let me create a new folder. Averaged annual rainfall. So you just enter, then you say average annual rainfall, then you save it, then you click OK. It's been running over there, so it is done running. So now we are going to work with only this. Have you seen that? So now let us remove all these. Your hand on shift, then you select all of them, then you right click, then you remove. We don't need them, so we remove them. I'm using that. Yes. So now let us go to the ArcToolbox and do something. We are going to convert this to points. ArcToolbox conversion to from raster to points. Then you select this, make sure this is at value, then you go here. So average annual rainfall, let me enter into that folder and write average annual rainfall underscore points. Average annual rainfall underscore points. Then I'll save it. Then okay. They have been converted to points. Have you seen that? Now that they've been converted to points, we need to convert the points to a projected coordinate system point. If you right click and you go to properties, at the source layer you see that the coordinate system is geographic, WGS 1984. You need to project it. So you go to search, then you write project, then you choose the first one, project data management. So you select the point. Now you come here, annual rainfall pattern, point, project. Then you choose the projected coordinate system, then you click OK. This is the new project, so we don't need this one. Let's remove that one. Do you get it? Now we are going to create the average annual rainfall, the map. You go to ArcToolbox, then we will go to Spatial Analysis tool, then we will go to interpolation, IDW. So you select the projected point. At the Z value you will choose grid code, then you specify where you want it to be saved. So annual rainfall, average annual rainfall underscore TAFO. Have you seen that? So when you are done, then you come to the environment. So at the environment, processing extent, you select the boundary of your study area, same as layer TAFO district. Then you go to raster analysis. At the mask area, have you seen the mask? At the mask area, then you select the boundary of your district or of your study area. Then you click OK. So now let us remove this, uncheck this and this and the points. Have you seen it? So this is the average annual rainfall of the municipality over the years. Have you seen that? Yes. So if you watched the previous video, it wasn't in classes like this, because now we've combined two, like 5 bands to become one. It has been done with different classes. Do you get it? And if I am using this for the flood risk analysis map, I would have to come here, properties, and actually go to Symbology and reduce the classes to 5 and format the label significant figures 1. Have you seen that? Yes. So this is it. But in the previous videos, as you can see this one, this is what we chose. Like I said in the previous video, it depends on the analysis you use. You want it to, if we just want to view the pattern, we can go and choose the stratified. But if you want the classes to, you can change the classes or maintain the classes as they are. So properties, then we choose stretched. Rather we choose the stretched. So this is the stretched. Then you come here, you select it. In the previous video we chose this. Have you seen it? Yes. But if you want to use all the classes for something, then you can go back and choose the classified. Have you seen that? So now if you have this, then you can switch to the layout view. Have you seen it over here? Layout view. Then you go to the page and print setup. Let me clear all these guys. Page and print setup. Because of the shape of the map, it is only one. So we will change it to portrait is already selected, but here at this side, normally this one is checked. You uncheck it, then you come and choose portrait over here. It is letter, then you choose A1 or your preferred paper size. Do you get it? So now this is the paper size we are going to use. Zoom in to your preferred scale. 1:10,000. I think 1:10,000 is okay. Then you choose that one. Then you can write the title over here. I think the title should go to the top. If you are going to insert it in your report too, you might not need the title because you are going to write the title in the report or in your PowerPoint. Do you get it? But let us add the title anyway. So average annual rainfall municipality 2020 to 2024. So we are using the draw tool. This is the draw tool. If you want to see the draw tool, you go to customize toolbars. The draw tool is here. So let me increase the font size. It's 48 now. Let me choose 69. It is too big. Let me choose it to change it to 65. Or let's say 63. Then let's change the color to maybe the color to no or red. Let me onboard it. Have you seen it? To be a good mapper, you need to be very good at graphic designing. Yes. So I don't know if this color is very nice. So this is it. Then after that, you can add your scale. So you go to insert, then with a scale bar you can choose your preferred scale. Then you come to properties. You can reduce this to 2, add a division, kilometers, or if you want miles you can maintain it. Then you come here and you shorten it to km. Okay, then you place it here. Then let us go and insert our scale text. .45. Let me activate this ruler. The 45 is too small, so I'll go and select 63. 1:10,000. Then I'll write this text. scale is equal to, then I'll choose the same font size, 63. Then I'll place it here. I'll group them and I'll place it here. I'm using that. Now the legend. So this is it. So you can convert to graphics, ungroup it, and the legend is here. So average annual rainfall, yes. Now let us delete this. In the previous video I deleted the values and it was left with only the high and low. Do you get it? But here we are dealing with only one frame, so we can maintain the figures. Have you seen that? Yes. So now let us hand on control select all of them, then you group them, then you come and place them here. Right click, you go to properties, frame, then you choose this and you place it here. Now let us insert our north arrow. Insert north arrow, and you place the north arrow over here. Maybe the title will shadow it, so maybe you can bring the north arrow, I don't know, on top of this, or you can still bring it here anyway. I don't know, it depends on you. Where would you place it? We are all learning. Have you gotten it? Yes, so that is it. So let us go to File, Export, TAFO, Average Annual Rainfall. So this is it. So this is the average annual rainfall of Tafo municipality. The borders are they are not clear. So let me go back, right click, go to here, frame, then I'll choose 2. Have you seen that? Then I'll export it again. I'll choose this. I say yes. Yes, so that is it. So if you compare this to these years, are you seeing any difference? This is the average one, these are the years combined. It looks like the average one and the 2024 on they are similar. 2024 and 2021 they are similar. Yes. But are you seeing any difference? Yes, so that is it. How to prepare average annual rainfall map. So with the design of the map, you can also insert a neat line. This is it. So you go to insert neat lines, place within. Then you can choose a size, let's say 3. So you come and be outside it. So let us export this and see something. Have you seen that line over there? Yes, that is what I was talking about. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. If this is your first time being on this channel, kindly help a brother to grow. I'm struggling to grow over here. Yes, I've been underground for so long. Help me so that I can also blow. Please, a subscription, a like, a comment, a share. I want you to be part of my story. Yes, help me to beat this struggle. I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.